See, the next very important topic is convention. Okay. Class 7th, chapter 6, flow of heat. Flow of heat. Okay, let us see what is convection. The process of transfer of please write down in your copy, the process of transfer of heat in which the heated molecules of a liquids or sometime gas themselves move to carry heat from the hot to the cold region. Okay, so cold region is called convection. Let us see the process of transfer of heat, okay, from one medium to another medium, in which heated molecules of a liquid on heating liquid or gas, their molecules are said to be heated molecules, themselves move to carry heat from hot to cold region, from hotter to colder region, and this is called convection. Okay, let us see first convection in gases. Convection in gases. Okay, we know that gases are bad conductors of heat. Gases are bad conductors of heat. However, heat travels in gases by convection. Okay, so let us see a very important topic of this chapter, which is sea and land breeze. Sea and land breeze. Sea and land breeze. Okay. In coastal areas, the breeze generally flows from the sea towards the land during the day and from the land toward the sea during the night. Firstly, understand what is coastal areas. Okay. See, this is our country India. A very bad map of drawing is very bad, but only understand. See here Bay of Bengal and here Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Okay. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So here water bodies, here water bodies. So these areas and these areas, starting from Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Bangalore, these all areas are known as coastal areas because they all are situated near the sea bodies, okay. So these areas experiences sea and land breeze. Okay, let us see what is sea and land breeze. Okay, the breeze generally flows from the sea toward the land. Okay, from the sea towards the land during the day, during the daytime. Okay, and from the land towards the sea during night. Okay, sea and land breeze are actually convection current. Sea and land breeze are actually convection current. Okay, they are actually convection current. Let us see how current will produce. Okay, we know that water has a higher heat capacity than land. This means that water takes a longer time to heat up than the time by the land. It also takes a longer time to cool. Okay, we know that water takes longer time to heat up and